How to create a Spotify blends playlist. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to create a Spotify blends playlist, what you simply need to do is launch the Spotify application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account on Spotify. And as you do that, what you simply need to do is tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, or you can simply tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. As you do that, scroll down and under browse all section, you get to see the option of made for you option. Tap on made for you and here you'll be able to see the option of create a blend under made for us. Select on create a blend and here you can simply tap on invite to invite your friends so that you can blend the musics together. So tap on invite and you can simply select on any of the people that you'd want to share this link with. So I'm going to select on Telegram over here for now and simply send it to the people I'd prefer to blend the music with. So let's select on a particular one and let's just send it. And there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.